What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna be telling you about what not to do when starting a clothing brand. All right, there's a lot of things that you should not do, and a lot of things you should do. And I'm gonna just talk about the things you should not do when starting a clothing brand. All right, number one, if you're starting a clothing brand, do not post at least once a day, or just do not never post. All right, that's just how you gonna start a brand and never post? Like, you might as well not start a brand if you ain't gonna post. Like, post something. Post on your Instagram story. Post on your TikTok. Always put, always post so you can be in people's face. At least on, if you're not gonna post on Instagram, at least, at least post on TikTok. You're not gonna post on TikTok. If you got YouTube, post on YouTube. If you're not gonna post any of those, post on Instagram. Post a story on one of those, post a reel on one of those, something, a video, picture. Just post to get the brand out there. All right, number two, just don't drop anything. Like, just when you ever make a shirt or whatever, just don't drop a shirt that has, let's say your brand name is Milk Dogs, right? Milk Dogs, right? Just don't drop a shirt that has Milk Dogs with no meaning behind it. Like, what's the point of dropping just some random thing with no meaning behind it? It's gonna be, like, in my personal opinion, if you drop something with meaning, it gives you content. Like, it helps you push it more. It helps you come up with content, help you push like the shirt or the product more, or the brand more. So just don't drop anything. Just drop stuff. Like, have some meaning behind it. It'll be easier for you, in my personal opinion. But if you just drop something because it looks nice, it might look nice, but you could get more people to buy your product if it looks nice and if it has like a deeper meaning to it. Then, like I said again, that's my personal opinion. You can do what you want. If you want to drop anything, just drop anything. Number three, do not copy other people's designs. Sorry, y'all, my dog is annoying, but do not copy other people's designs. Copying other people, look, there's a thin line between inspiration and copying. When you just straight up copy the person's design and then slap your name on it, don't do that, man. People gonna know. People gonna find out that you didn't make that. Someone's gonna find out. And then they're going to call you out in the comments. Depending on how big your brand is, either might see it. If you're a little brand, definitely don't do it, because if you're a small brand, anything in the comments about you negative, people are not most likely going to see it. Maybe you're like a big brand, you get like 500, 1,000 comments. It might be like hidden in there somewhere, someone calling you out. But definitely, if you're a small brand, do not copy someone's design. It's okay for you to get inspired by the design and then make your own version of it, but don't just straight up copy it. You know what I mean? Just try to be, original as you can be. All right. Don't do research like on starting a brand. Like, please do your research before starting your clothing brand. Don't want to be one of those people that don't do research. Don't do any YouTubing, Googling on how to start a brand. What should you do? Them steps right there. Just take the day or two to actually research, maybe even more than a day or two, to actually research how to start a brand and come up with a good plan, man. Because you just roll into this thing blindly, you're gonna waste a lot of money. You're gonna hit more bumps on the road that you could just avoid it by just doing your research. And if you do your research, you can find out if this is something that you actually want to do, and if you don't want to do it. So I definitely recommend doing your research. Right now, that's all the tips I got for y'all today, man. I try to post at least once a day. Not once a day, but once every couple of days, maybe once a week. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and peace out.